against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah, we had a long discussion with him this morning.
I don't know anything about it.
Total classic Miranda rights moment right here. But here's the real legal lesson. If you ever find yourself in this spot, your best move is to stay completely silent. Because honestly, most people don't realize they end up talking themselves right into a conviction.
On, please.
On April 25, an officer was dispatched to an unknown accident, and noticed a vehicle, a pickup truck, illegally parked in the front yard of the residence. There were fresh tires, skid marks, a broken wheel, and axle visibly appeared to be damaged.
Hold up. This isn't your average parking fail. A pickup slammed into a parked Jeep so hard it snapped the axle clean off. That's not just drunk driving. That's NASCAR colliding with a full-blown suburban meltdown.
To a legally parked red Jeep Compass. The law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant, and then, it said that the damage to the Jeep was brought on $5,000. The defendant admitted to driving the truck. It was later identified. The officer also made contact with the wheel witness, who said that he witnessed the defendant in the white truck in the driver's seat behind the wheel and observed him exit the vehicle from the driver's side door.
He admits he tried to flee the scene, and that's a major slip-up. It doesn't just hint at guilt. It wrecks any defense claiming he wasn't behind the wheel. Be honest. What would you do if you woke up to find your car totaled right on your front lawn?
Stumbling, and then the wheel witness observed slurred speech and a strong odor of alcohol that was emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant also admitted that he was trying to flee the scene and go home, but his vehicle was stolen. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was detained, and noticed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. And the officer then conducted a standardized field sobriety test, where he witnessed. Sorry, Your Honor, the DIMS leaves off and does not show the standardized field sobriety test results. The officer asked the defendant his intoxication level. The defendant said he was at a 6 out of 10. The defendant said he does not believe it was safe to operate his motor vehicle at this level of intoxication, but had an 11-year-old passenger.
He did not.
I'm sorry, he did not. He did not. I apologize. Just a moment to see if I can.
The judge isn't just angry. He's tearing apart the prosecution's report like it's a 1-star Yelp review for the world's worst fast food order. And honestly, when the evidence is that sloppy, the court can't just look the other way.
I'll tell you, that's kind of where the DWI investigation stops. The first response that I have is that no field sobriety tests were performed. It also, the credibility of the wheel witness was never discussed in the DIMS, whether the officer found them credible or reliable, etc. So I really can't make a lot of sense out of.
It's like the DIMS you're reading these like going through a drive-through, man. I mean, really, who's writing the reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Over and over and over. I mean, really.
I'm trying to see if I can find anything else.
Case after case, we're just.
So, Judge, things don't say it. Don't say it.
This is where it gets real. The judge is practically pleading with the defendant. Don't turn yourself into a headline. You don't often see a bench lecture packed with this much raw emotion, and it hits hard.
What is the results of those variable field sobriety tests, and we do not have knowledge about it.
How on earth am I supposed to find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports?
I don't say. I don't know why it's not in the DIMS. Obviously, we didn't write it here. We represent what is written in there, and so I I understand your frustration. I'm highly frustrated.
Mr. Kubler, I'm gonna find no probable cause in your case. Don't kill anyone. You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out. Now, this is not to say that they may not indict this case at a later time, but